The style is elegant and romantic. Nostalgic good looks for today's bathroom. Aquatic offers a collection of freestanding tubs, perfectly suited for individual comfort. Aquatic introduces the Restoration series. Now you can drift back into a calmer, more peaceful time, when baths were moments to be enjoyed and treasured. Choose from slipper, clawfoot, or pedestal designs. Available in classic white only, each restoration bath features a spacious bathing well for comfortable soaking. Clawfoot finishes are available in chrome, polished brass, satin nickel, polished nickel, oil-rubbed bronze, and white. Make the elegance of the past a part of your future with a restoration bath from Aquatic.